everybody and welcome to day 4. So today we're gonna do push-ups, 100 reps of push-ups. If I'm honest, I'm not really looking forward to this challenge day, but hey, we have to do it since I set the goal for this week, 100 reps per day, we have to do it. So let's break down the push-ups. So we're gonna do push-ups from the knees. Obviously, if you can do push-up from the toes, please do so, but this is meant for the beginner, so I'll go into the beginner version. All right, let's do this. Okay, so the starting position is on all fours. Make sure that your hands are firmly on the ground. And now you can also cross your feet if you want to. So now we're gonna place the hips forward in one straight line so that you're like this. Okay, your hands are below your shoulders. They can be a little bit more outwards or they can be close strictly below the shoulders. Yeah. So we're gonna then drop down our chest and lift ourselves back up. Make sure that you know where the position of your elbows are going. So they can go 45 degrees backwards. Okay, they can go like 90 degrees backwards and close to your rib cage. Push yourself up, but never do them like that. Okay, a lot of people, they are doing push-ups like this. This will put your shoulders in very unstable position. You can actually hurt yourself doing it like that. Alright, so if you want to do the push-up from the toes, go to the plank position, yeah, and then perform it as you go. Alright, make sure also the core is super tight because push-ups are not just for the chest, triceps and shoulders, they are also amazing for your core. Alright. So, since we said we're gonna do 100 reps, let's go. I'm sorry for the light going up and down because it's cloudy outside. And obviously, you can see it's like as it is. All right, ready? It's like a cinematic. Okay, anyway, abs engaged. All right, make sure that you're looking, you also, yeah, one more thing, you don't look like down, like this when you're doing the push-up, but straight forward, like chest almost touching the ground, push yourself up. We're gonna, I suggest that you go to your failure. We're gonna go for 20 reps if we can. I'm gonna struggle as well, I must admit, because the upper body is my weaker part. And you do you, as long as you do 100 reps, okay? All right, so maybe we'll do 10 times 10, we'll see. Okay, let's go for the first batch. Woohoo, I'm nervous. Let's go. And push yourself away from the floor. That was 1. Exhale the top, inhale down, 2, 3, abs tight. 4, 5, 6, good job. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Stretch it out in child's pose. Go on your fingers. How did first 20 feel? I must struggle. I mean, I am struggling a bit, must admit. But there's nothing shameful about it because you have to do you, you have to listen to your body. All right, let's go for the next. Maybe we'll just go 10 so that we do safely. When we are jeopardizing our form, we can also injure ourselves. Also make sure that all of your fingers are firmly on the ground and pressing the ground away from you, like you want to push the ground away from you. Another 10, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was 30. Oh, I already feel it. If you believe it or not, I feel it. I do not train my upper body enough, obviously. So we are now in the 30. So this will be probably the most challenging day so far. But you have to be stubborn. Yeah, the results come when you challenge yourself. Let's go. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That was 40. It's good that you do this kind of thing. Let's go for the 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 50 reps down. If I would start with toes, I don't think I would be able to do them. But let's go. Let's continue. Shake it off if you need to. If you feel that you're gonna slack with your form, then stop, take a rest, okay? That's also very important. Like that you're gonna go down and then you're gonna push yourself up like that. That's not fine. You have to continue having abs tight, one straight line, hips down, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 60. 40 to go. Believe it or not, I'm already sweating. If you feel like your knee's starting to hurt, put some towel underneath or roll the mat. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70. It starts like my arms are giving up. 30 more. You always have to say to yourself, like, okay, I did 70, that's a lot. I have only 30 left. And that is like, it's motivating because it's going to push you further, so that you're not going to give up. Always make it sound less than more, right? Find your way. 1, 2, 3, let's go, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 20 to go. When I wrote this, I said, 100 push-ups, it's nothing, you can do this, like, I can do it, of course I can do it, but like, in batches. 20 to go. Alright, you're strong, come on. Probably all of you guys out there are already laughing at me and thinking like, oh, poor little girl, struggling from her knees. Yeah. Hope you did all 100 at once from your toes. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. 10 left. 10 to go. Oh, my heart is already pumping. Okay. Focus. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 more, 8, 9, 100. That was maybe even close to the failure, I would say. Of course, probably I could squeeze in a few more reps, but so yeah, if you're strong enough, of course, do it from your toes. But otherwise, congratulations, you completed day 4. Yeah, and I see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be a little bit easier, yeah? Alright, so if you want to work out with me every single day, don't forget to also check my webpage, fitnesswithmaya.com, where I have like almost 200 workout videos there, which you haven't seen yet on YouTube. Alright, take care, see you tomorrow. Ciao.
I've been fighting everything you say. I've been trying to go the other way, but I can't seem to get you out of my head. Out of my head. I've been fighting